Your attention please. Train number 5410 has been departed from platform number 7 to Rameshwaram.
Who doesn't like a good train journey? And that too on a bridge? It's so much fun, right? Do you know about the Pamban Bridge, which happens to be the second largest in India? It is situated in Tamil Nadu, which was constructed by the British government, and there's a large weeping image of a man holding his son's dead body parts to his chest. Do you know the story behind the picture?
No, I didn't hear about those stories.
A middle-aged man was appointed to roll the wheels up and down when ships arrived. Once, he saw a train slowly approaching, while he was pulling back the bridge after a ship quietly passed beneath. He had to pull back quickly, or else there would be a fatal accident and thousands would have died. At that time, his 9-year-old son came with lunch. When he saw his father struggling with the wheels, he kept the lunchbox down and started helping him to roll the wheels to put the bridge back. Suddenly, his son's finger got caught inside the wheel and he started crying out. At this time, if the father tries to save his son, the bridge could not be put back on time. He had no other option but to ignore his son's cry. With all his strength, he kept on rolling the wheels to down the bridge. As the wheels rolled on, his son slowly started slipping away into the huge machine. Tears rolled down his father's cheeks, but he ignored his son's cry. If he tried to save him, the train would surely fall into the sea and thousands of people will die. Slowly, the boy's whole body fell into the machine and his father could hear his bones breaking one by one until with a loud sound his head cracked. The train with thousands of passengers slowly rolled on the rails without knowing what had happened here. Though this man performed his duty honestly, he lost his only loving son. With extreme lamentation, he pulled out his son's body parts from the machine and held it close to his chest and cried bitterly. British government honored him greatly, and in memory of this incident, they placed the picture at the entrance of the bridge. If the man wanted, he could have saved his son and ignored the lives of thousands of people, but he chose to be selfless, and without any personal gain, he helped those people. So, in life, there will be many moments when you have to act selflessly and think about others before yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. They say, the more you listen, the more you grow. So keep listening, keep growing. And we will meet you with another amazing story. Till then, take care. Thank you.